I think it should be the first interventional therapy that most people try because it's comfortable, it's painless, it's inexpensive, it's very reasonable, and if it's effective for your care, gee, why would you not want to start there rather than the converse would be, gee, I have to buy an expensive several $1,000 oral appliance or surgery. Wouldn't it be best to try a less intrusive therapy for your care?